In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the cable for front, or the C4F, without a cable needle. Now the C4F is where you hold the first two stitches of the cable on to the front of your work, and then you work the next two stitches off your left needle, and then you work the two stitches on the front of your work. And normally this is done by using a cable needle or a DPN or something to hold these two stitches in the front of your work while you knit the two stitches from the left needle. So I work this without a cable needle, and I do it by switching positions of my stitches. So I'm going to switch the positions of these 4 stitches. These 2 stitches will go behind these 2 stitches, but I will cross them over the front because that is how the cross is happening with a C4F. So this is how I do it, and I feel that this is an easy cable to do it without a cable needle. So to start, I need these 2 stitches over to the front here. So I'm going to go in the back of my knitting, and I'm going to place my right needle through the back loop of these 2 stitches like so. And then I'm going to slip all these 4 stitches off the left needle like so. So these back 2 stitches are on my right needle, and then I have 2 stitches that are just hanging out here without a needle. And then I'm going to take my left needle and I'm going to slip these 2 stitches onto my left needle. And then I'm going to take these 2 stitches off my right needle and slip them back onto my left needle. And as you can see, my cross has already happened now. So all I need to do is to knit these stitches off my left needle like normal. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there is my cross, my C4F without a cable needle. And I will show you this again. So I'm at my second cable here where I need to cross my C4F. And once again, I'm going to take my right needle and I'm going to put it in behind these 3rd and 4th stitch off that are on my left needle, like so, through the back loop. And then I'm going to slip these 4 stitches off at the same time, like so. And then my back 2 stitches go onto my right needle, and then I have 2 stitches in the front. And I'm going to take my left needle and I'm going to pick up those stitches like so. And then I'm going to take these 2 stitches from my right needle and slip them back onto my left needle. And now my stitches are in order for the cable for front. And all I need to do is knit these 4 stitches. 3 and 4. And there is my cable. And I'll show you this cross one more time. So taking my right needle, going in behind my left needle and picking the 3rd and 4th stitch through the back loop off my left needle, and then slipping them all these 4 stitches off at the same time. And then using my left needle, picking up these 2 stitches in the front here. And then slipping these 2 stitches from my right needle back to my left. And once again, my stitches are in order for the cable, and all I need to do is knit them off the left needle. 3 and 4. And there is my cross for cable for front. And you will notice that this will speed up your needle or your knitting considerably when you don't have to use a cable needle. And I like to use this especially where I have a lot of cables. That way I can knit pretty quickly and I don't get slowed down by using my cable needle or my DPN. So good luck.